cái này tím lại được, còn tím lại.
So we cut the orange in half. Put that thing to squeeze out the orange juice. The orange juice is so dark, this kind of orange. So dark orange. So to do it, hand squeezed. 4 oranges, or 2 oranges. More? Oh, 3 oranges. Okay, so 2.5 oranges makes about that much juice. And then the rest is, they had sugar in there and they put some ice. Go. 2 scoops of ice. That's how they do it. Then they put the lid on. 2.5 oranges to make 1 cup. So they make that 1 cup. I don't want to. They give you a straw. Good. And it makes that much. Whoa. 20,000 Vietnam dollars. That's what? 50 cents? No,
that's pretty close to $1.
$1? About $1?
23,000 is about $1. So
okay.
It's like 95 cents.
Oh, and they give these little carrier handles with the plastic. The cup just goes in there and it holds it up, so you don't freeze your hand. And also, if you're on like the motorbikes, they just hang it by the handles to carry a lot. We have bunch on here. What tree is that with those fruits on it? Papaya, I think. The fish in this tank, they're very active. The pleco, look at that pleco. There's a Jollibee in this mall. There's no, oh, the entrance is, I don't know where's the entrance. So it starts with a jewelry store. Okay, so we're going into this Co.op Mart. There's all these little booths out here. There's a jewelry store there. Let's go in. Then they got a Jollibee here. Look at this. It's like a giant Walmart thing. There's Pizza Hut in here too. Look, they have a little kids play place for if you're shopping. And the clothes here. And 1 billion registers. So the market. And they have like an arcade over here. So look at all this. They have an arcade here in this Whoville. Hey, what is this?
Flappy Bird.
Flappy Bird. Oh wait, you have to play this game to win prizes? Is that what's going on?
That's what it is.
And we're inside the arcade zoo. Look at this, all these claw machines. So all these claw machines, whoa. And they have some Christmas decorations here. And they got some arcade video games. They have this little cow shooter game. Oh, they have this little cow shooting game. What is this? What is that? It makes it look like a little kid's game, and then it's like, what is it, just regular games. Look at this. Ball machine, air hockey table. This is where you do your driving test. Look at this. Yeah, whatever this is. Transformers game. Some kind of dancing thing. Dancing game. You just say like value, like how much. But so here's the prices. 500,000, 200 tokens. We'll see. Okay. He's gonna... How many is it though? It's two of them? How do you know? Where does it say? Oh, there. 2 coins. What are these? There's like all these buttons and stuff. What do you press? Which one? The red one? Okay. Does it go together? Oh no, what happened? Wait, how do we change it? Oh. Get over. Press down to quit, or what? This to start? Okay, let's see. I don't think I can play with one hand, so I might have to stop recording. Alright, bye guys. We got this nice lady. How do we switch?
I'm playing this chick.
What? Mine doesn't switch.
I'm playing moon dancing.
Why doesn't mine switch? I guess I got stuck with the sexy lady. What's stuck on my shoe? What is this?
Get ready. Wait, I'll have the portrait.
Wait, do I need to use the handbrakes?
I have the portrait.
Record yourself.
I have the portrait.
Okay, I don't know what's going on here, so... I don't even know how to ride a bike on this, so we'll see. We'll just show a little bit. Wait, what? Go! Go, lady! Okay, well, that's it for now because I need to ride, so... Let's see if I get this cow butt thing. You got it! No! What the heck?
I got mine. I got mine. I got
cow butt. Okay, we're gonna try and get the cow butt again.
Get that mug. Get that MFer. Get that MFer.
Okay.
Oh, yup.
Okay, let's see. Let's get that cow butt.
Yes.
Grab it by its cheeks. What the fuck?
No. 2 more.
It just said screw you. This machine's like screw you.
Dude, we're so effing close. Right here.
Let's try again. You gotta grab it by the butt cheeks. Oh no, it's not angled right. Let's see. Grab that cow butt. Come on.
No!
Are you kidding?
Why?
Maybe we have to grab like half its butt cheek so it just keeps tumbling it over.
The cow butt. I want the goddamn cow butt, and I'm being get that motherfucker.
Oh, what happened? Oh, it rejected 1 coin.
Oh.
Okay. I think we have to grab it by one side and just tumble it over to the... Oh, that's as much as it goes to one side?
Broken.
That's messed up. That's messed up. We'll never get this butt cheek.
Please. God! Effing Christ. Oh, these are my last 2, dude.
The last 2.
God damn it.
The yellow one's broken. The yellow one doesn't work at all. Only the blue one works. Only the blue one works. Only the blue one works.
Let's go.
You can only get the blue one. We're in the restaurant now. They had some door people. We're going up the stairs to another private eating area. Here they are. There's a cat walking around in the restaurant here. There's a thing in the middle.
Exit the roundabout onto Vo Van
It's supposed to be
Tan.
like a lotus thing. That's cool.
Exit the
There's
roundabout
one
onto
there.
Pham Ngoc Thatch.
They have a pear spaghetti here, but probably too expensive, so they closed it, looks like. It's actually opened.